Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Mill here, and my goal is to hit $1 million in 1 year using just cryptocurrencies. Now today in this video I'm going to be telling you guys the Hydrazine staking guide, all the way from point A to Z, everything you need to know, the ultimate guide. Make sure you stay till the end, because if you miss one of these steps you might lose all your money. So make sure you follow everything through, watch all the way to the end, and give a subscribe if you want to stay up to date with this project and other things as well. So without any more delay, let's get started. So the first thing you will need to buy some stars or USD on the star launch platform. Okay, so you need to go to one of these three platforms: Radium, FTX, or Symmetry. You need to buy some stars and some Solana as well. You will also need to have a Solana wallet right here. So I have a Solana wallet right here. So you will need to buy this on an exchange, Solana and Star Launch, and then you need to be able to send this on onto your wallet on your browser or your phone or wherever else you have them. Okay, so that's the step. Watch YouTube videos, finish watching this so you know how the overall picture looks like, and then do those things, and then rewatch this couple of times to make sure you get it and maximize all of this. You really don't want to be missing out on any of these steps, because you are gonna lose everything. So that's pretty much the first step. Have a Solana wallet, and then buy some Solana to pay for transaction fees, and you need some star launch token to be able to stake it so you can get the hydrazines. Now once you have the wallet and you have some hydrazines and Solana, you have sent them to your wallet. What you want to do is actually go on to this platform. You need to sign up for an account and complete your KYC. You have until the 10th to actually get this done. They have increased the date of this a little bit. So yeah, this is great news. You still have good chance to get in this project and get those 10, 20, 100x return. So now once you have completed your KYC and you have and gotten this, what you want to be doing, you want to go in here and you want to connect your wallet. By going in here, connect, it will usually take a very small transaction fee for you to connect this. Now once you have this, you also, at this point, you should have some star launch and Solana, to some stars and Solana tokens on your wallet. This will you will need to connect this, and this will give you an unique ID as well. Once you have this, it will show how much stars you have and how much hydrazines you have. At this point you shouldn't have any. You should have, however, I had some stars. Once you have some stars, you want to go to the second tab. Inside here you will be able to create vault, and this is where things get a little bit more complex. Now when you press create vault, there will be a vault number. So at the moment I've already created a vault, but in here you want to create a vault. Inside this, you want to select how much amount you want. So if I exit this and go back here, you can see at the time of making this, I have 68.99. so I'll go over here, create a vault, and I will say let's do this for 6.88, just this. Now in here you have two options. You can stake without lock, means you can put this in and pull it out any times you want, and you won't have to pay for any consequences, and that's pretty much it. However, the problem with this is you do have to pay 0.76%, so your stars are going to actually decay at this rate. To avoid decaying, what you can do, you can put it at a 90-day lock, means your stars won't decay, but you will still be able to get hydrazines. Okay, so that's basically what it means. You can lock your stars for 90 days, still get hydrazines, and at the end of the 90 day you should still have everything you're supposed to have. Now you still have 12 hours from the time of this video before you actually need to make this. So don't worry, you still have some time to get all of this sorted. For this, I'm gonna stake with lock 90 days because it's not much, so I don't mind, and I'm going to press confirm. Now when you press confirm, it's going to ask for a tab for you to approve. Usually when it asks for you to approve, just approve it, unless you really don't want to for whatever reason. Yeah, so you want to approve it. It should give you a notification here to telling you everything has gone through and you don't need to worry anymore. So there you go. So new vault created, and that's pretty much it. A new vault has been created. You don't need to do anything else now. It just is going to take some time for this vault to appear. There is a little bit of a bug, so this vault isn't appearing at the moment. So pretty much here we go. Your vault should appear here. There's a bug, like I said, that's why it's not appearing. But if you go up to here, you can see my stars have been taken away from this. You can also go into your account and see that's what you have. You should get a new token appearing as well. It looks like this. This might change later on. Yeah, but that's about it. Once you have put it in a vault, whether you put it as a lock or no lock, you will still be able to acquire the hydrazines. You do need to collect it from the vault, and I will show you what it looks like. So you want to go here. I'll leave this down in the description, just what I mentioned. You want to go in here. You need to be able to create a credit ID, which will be the actually connecting these things. Once you do that, that's pretty much it. You want to go to the second tab. You need to create a vault, and you can pretty much choose whether you want to stake it with lock or without lock. Again, the gas fees are very low, 0.01 on Solana, so you won't be actually paying much to create multiple vaults. Multiple vaults is something I would actually do recommend you do, because this way you can separate the things that you do want to stake with lockup period and the ones without lockup period. I would go with, maybe 60-40 or 60-70, 60-30, and see which one you would prefer. If you want to be here for the long term, then of course go for the lockup period, because you keep getting hydrazines and they accumulate. They won't expire. Even if you don't want to take part of this, you can still get in. This is actually 3 a.m. at the time of me making this video. I wanted to get this information out to you guys as soon as possibly can, so make sure you do hit that subscribe button. I'm quite tired, but other than that, let's move on. Yeah, so pretty much you do have a penalty if you do pull it out. If you do pull it out earlier than the 90-day lockup period, you do get a penalty, and it's usually a little bit higher for the days. It's at a 50%. It's at a 50% penalty. So I would recommend you really think about whether if that's something you want to do. This won't be for the entire period. It's only for the remaining amount, or the amount you have had it in for. But that's pretty much it. You can create unlimited vaults as much as you want. You do need to click claim on the vault boxes to get the hydrazine, and this won't affect the box in any way. And you can enter the box depending on the time of it is. If it's unlocked, you can unstack at any times. If it's you can unstack and claim things as well. These boxes will get destroyed at the end of their cycle, or whenever you pull out all the funds from here. And it will also give you a warning to tell you what's going on. When I created this, it didn't really give me that warning for some reason, but when you do it, I do expect that you will get a warning of some kind, telling you what you're going to lose or not going to, or isn't going to be able to pull out. That's pretty much it. Once you have the hydrazines here, they will accumulate. you can exchange them for MBS. One of the things I'm told is that you need to use USDC to actually get the monkey bucks, which is gonna potentially gonna go 100x 50x hit those numbers. So you need to use USDC. I'm not sure if you will be able to directly buy it with the hydrazines, or rather change the hydrazine to MBS to USDC, and then be able to actually get the thing. Now when I look at this, one of the thing I see when I have done this transaction, USDC was automatically added to my wallet. So what I think is going to happen is the hydrazines do need to be transferred to USD coin before you can do that, but I'll have an uploaded video on how to actually acquire the MBS tokens and potentially sell it as well, or use it for other in-game currencies. Thanks so much for watching. I'm really looking forward to bringing out more content. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to leave a comment if you're as excited for this project to grow and go to the moon. All right, have an awesome day. Bye.